How to remove an authorized user from your Amazon Visa card. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're wanting to remove an authorized user from your Amazon Visa card, you may just go ahead and follow up this method. So, for that, what you can do is you can directly contact your bank. For that, for example, if you're using Chase, you can head over to chase.com and then you can log in into your account. Look out for this login option in the top of your screen, tap on it and use your credentials here and sign in into your account. After that, you may just go ahead and find the customer service or credit card management section within the bank, and that way you can contact your bank. For example, Chase Bank, you can just go ahead and do so, or you can directly head over and type in contact Chase or customer support of Chase, and they will be you will be finding some options available. You can directly look out for their customer service and lead over to their self-service action available. You can look out for what purpose you are trying to contact them. And you can inform the representative that you want to remove an authorized user from your account. Do so if you have that option available. And you may need to provide your information to verify your identity and the account details. Once the authorized user is removed, confirm it with the representative that the process is complete, and that is it. So that way you may just head over and remove an authorized user from your Amazon Visa card. You may follow up the steps that I just told you. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.